Welcome to this special edition of Tech Team Corner. I'm your host, Andrew Kennard, and on behalf of LMK, we wanted to congratulate all of our licensed contractors for all their success, and one in particular that just finished wrapping up a very important pilot project. That contractor is Fuquay Incorporated, and the video we'll be showing are from a few liners I helped them install in the beginning of their project. So with that being said, I would like to congratulate Pete Frankowiak, Chase Hunter, Blair Lilling, Stephen Lynch, Joe Reyes, and Chris Carter. I know some of the obstacles they had to overcome during the project, so congratulations guys, and now let's check out those liners. What you are looking at is a lateral liner that we installed from a basement wall access point, which in turn overlapped a short T-liner that was installed prior to this repair. I'm sure some of you watching this are perhaps curious as to why we didn't just do the repair in a single installation. I will elaborate on that subject towards the end of this video. The surface repaired was a combination of 6-inch cast iron and 6-inch clay. I'm going to pause this video real quick just to point out where the cast iron ended and the clay began. If you look closely, you can see the slight change in the inside diameter. Now let's continue. Unfortunately, I didn't get a pre-video of the entire service, but I did manage to take a picture of how bad one of the offset joints were, and that picture will be displayed later on in the video. I'd also like to note that before we lined the pipe, we used the Fuquay Maximiller to remove all the tuberculation from the cast iron and some of the calcium buildup on a few of the joints. Earlier I mentioned that I'd explain why we did this in 2 installations and as to why. Now this service was branched to another line deemed inactive, and that connection was a clay double Y. Due to that obstacle, we wanted to make sure our liner would be 100% solid inside the Y. Therefore, we shot a containment bladder spanning a majority of the pipe length to guarantee that no resin would be lost, and the liner on the bend you will see shortly was left as structurally sound as possible. Our measurements were precise, and we also ended our hydrophilic gaskets past the pre-bladder and overlapped onto the T-liner, therefore creating a completely uniform liner from the connection all the way to the beginning of our access point. So real quick, I'm just going to pause this video to show you the large offset that we repaired so you can now see a before and after. Here's the bend I mentioned earlier that we wanted to make as solid as possible, and off to the bottom right you see a wrinkle that appears larger than it really is. With the now seamless liner, no joints, and a slick interior coating, the liner will help speed up the flow rate. Now moving forward, just past this drop you can see where our T-liner was installed beforehand, which also happened to be inside an 8-inch mainline. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in understanding more about our technology, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, or visit our website at lmktechnologies.com. If you have any questions, comment below or give us a call. I'm your host, Andrew Kennard. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.